Hi there. Today we have a question from Miguel. Miguel asks, what is the character limit for my part description in Clear Estimates? Great question, Miguel. Let's talk about that right now. So you can see I'm here on my projects page. I've added one part to my estimate for a new pedestal sink, and we can see my part description right here in the description column. If I want to take a better look at that, I can just open up the part using the pencil over here on the right, and here is that description at the very top. Now, there is a character limit for this part description at the top. That character limit is 255 characters. The reason for that is so the part description fits into the search module, and it also makes it quicker for our search tools to find different parts throughout the library of costs. Now, this description again is just your description in the software. It's not what your customer sees on the proposal. Instead, your customer sees the report text down here at the very bottom. So you can see under report text, there is different text boxes for the types of proposals you can export from Clear Estimates. So that's including a preliminary proposal, the formal proposal, and a subcontractor scope of work. Most of the time you use your formal proposal. That's the default output from Clear Estimates. And this is the text for this same part that would show up on the proposal. Now, in your report text, there is no character limit, so you can add as much text as you'd like here, even spaces and line breaks. So if I wanted to include a note for my customer, I can add a line break and include a note, and really as much text as I'd like here. So then all I need to do is save the part. And then let's take a look at the proposal. We're going to come up here to View Report and Print to PDF. And we're just going to take a look at what this line item description will look like for the customer on the proposal here. So here is that part description. And again, I've added some additional text here for my customer. Here's a note and even a line break. So there is no character limit here, and you can add as much text for the line item as you need to appear on your proposal. Thank you so much for joining us. For answers to more questions like this, head to help.clearestimates.com.